Hi students, welcome to AM Teachers Tech. My name is Lubna Afza. Today I am going to teach you how to calculate HCF with easy trick. Okay, first what is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. Little bit here I have written a definition of it. Is a product of smallest power of each common prime factor in a given number. So we'll see with an example here. First, I'll take an example, simple example of 8 and 12. Okay. So the simplest way is first we'll find out the factors of 8. So how do I calculate the factors of 8? So 8 here I'm going to write. Now if you say this number 8, 8 is an even number. So it is divisible in 2. So 2 fours are, 2 twos are, again it is divisible by 2, 2 ones are. Okay. Same way I will calculate the factors of 12 also. So 12, 12, 2 6 are, 2 threes are, again 3 ones are, because 3 is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself only. So now I'm going to write here 8. What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2. And how about 12? So it is 2 into 2 into 3. So even I can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 3 in form of exponential and 2 to the power of 2 into 3. Okay, now we have to calculate the HCF. So HCF, so we have to find the common factor, that is common multiple with 8 also, with 12 also. So can you see, this is common, 2 and 2, I will tell it is common, and this 2 and this 2 is also common. So it is equal to 2 into 2. Now this becomes 4. Okay, now this also, if you see here, this is also one more way to calculate. So if you see here, this is common here, but here you have 2 to the power of 3 and here you have 2 to the power of 4. Now which one you have to find out? You have to find out the smallest power. So which one is the smallest power here? It is 2 to the power of 2. So this becomes again 2 to the power of 2, in the sense 2 to the power of 2 means it is nothing but 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now this is how we actually find out the HCF. Now we will go for the trick to calculate, easiest trick. How do I calculate within the second? I'm going to take a same number, that is 8 and 12. Now the first step is what? Here I have to find the difference between these two. So the difference is 12 minus 8. How much I'm going to get? 4. Okay. What is the difference I have taken here? 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 4, what you have to see, this 4 is it a multiple of 8 or not? Yes, it is a multiple of 8. 8 twos are, how much we'll get? 4 into 2. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. Again 4 into 3 is what is that? 12. So you have a multiple. The 4 is a multiple of 8 also and 12 also. So what we can tell, it is HCF is equal to 12. So this sorry, 4. Okay, so this is the easiest trick to calculate the HCF. So we'll take one more example here. Example number 2. So I'll take the number as 63, 108 and 72. So 63, if you see the 63, the last number is what? Odd number. Correct. So the last number is odd number. So this is divisible in 3. So 3 twos are and 3 ones are. So now you have a 21. So again it is divisible in 3. So 3 sevens are. 7, if you see, 7 is a prime number. So it is divisible by itself. So 7 ones are. Okay. So next we will calculate for 108, 108. If you see the last number, so this is even number. So it is divisible in 2. So 2 fives are, 2 fours are. Again 2 twos are. This becomes 1 will be remainder here. So 1 means it becomes 14. 2 sevens are. Again 27 is divisible in 3. So 3 nines are. Again it is 3 threes are. 3 ones are. Okay. So next we will calculate for 72. 72. 72 last number 2. Again this is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 threes are. 1 remainder here, so it becomes 12. 2 6 are. Okay, so again it is divisible in 2. So 2 ones are 1 remainder, 2 eights are 16. So 2 nines are, then it is divisible in 3 table. So 3 threes are and 3 ones are. So we'll write the factors for all the numbers. So first we'll write for 63. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. For 108, it is, see, I will write here first 3. Okay. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. So next I will write for 72. For 72 also, first factor I'll write it as 3. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So even I can rewrite it as this one, 3 to the power of 2 into 7. This one I can write it as 3 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2. Next, even I can write it as 3 square into 3 to the power of 3. Okay. Now common, we have to check which number is common in all these three numbers. Okay. So now if you see, this is a common number. Okay. This is also a common number. Now here the last number is 7. Okay. So in all three number, any three numbers, it will not be matching here. So the HCF of three numbers, even if you want, you can write it down as HCF of 63, 108, and 72, or even you can write comma, is how much? 3 into 3, so that is 9. Okay. So otherwise also, if you see here, one more way you can calculate here. So now this is the common in all the three numbers, and you have to find the smallest power. A number with the smallest power is what? 3 to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 means, again, it is nothing but 3 into 3. So this is nothing but 9. Okay. Now next we'll go for the trick to calculate the problem number 2. Okay. So I will take down the number here. What are the numbers? 62. I will write the smallest number first. 62, then 72 and 108. Okay. Now in this number, what I have to do, I have to find the difference. Okay. So these two numbers I will take and I'll find out the difference. So difference between these two number is how much? It is 9. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to check this 9 is multiple of 62, 72 and 108. If you see, this is what will you get? Yes, it is a divisible, because 9 sevens are. So this is what 9 sevens are. 9 into how much it is? 9 into 7, it is 62. Okay, okay. So again 72, this is 63. Sorry, I have written wrong. 63. Okay. So this is 72. 72 also, it is divisible in 9. That is 9 eighths are. 9 eighths are. How much it is? 72. Next, this is also divisible in 9. So 9 twelves are, it is 108. Okay. That means as this number 9 is divisible in 63, 72 and 108. That's why the HCF of these three number is how much? It is 9. Okay. So we'll go for one more problem. So 12, 30 and 84. Okay. So if I calculate the factors of this 12, so how much? 2 6 are, again 2 3s are, 2 3s are, then 3 1s. Okay. So 30, it is, last number is even number. 0 is an even number. So this is even number. So 2 1s are, this becomes 10 here, 2 5s are. Then it is divisible in how much? 2, 3, 3, yes, 3. 3 5s are 15. And again it is divisible in 5 ones are. Okay. So next we will calculate for 84. 84, last number is even number. So it is divisible in 2. 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Again it is divisible in 2. 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So this is divisible in 3. 3 7s are, and this is 7 1s are, because it's a prime number. So this 7 is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself. Now I'm going to write the factors of this. So the factors of 12, I'll write it as 2 into 2 into 3. And again for 30, I'm going to write it as 2 into 3 into 5. and the factor for 84, I'm going to write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So what I have to do, I have to calculate the common number. So this is the common number, that is 2. If you see 3 here, 2 is not a common number. So if you see 3 is the common number, can you see here 3? So 3 is the common number. Okay, so HCF is equal to how much? 2 into 3, so that is 6. Otherwise also, how can I write this? 2 to the power of 2 into 3. So this one, 2 into 3 into how much? 5. So again I can write it as 2 to the power of 2 into 3 into 7. So you have to take, what is the common number here? So this is the common number, but you have to take a number which has with the smallest power. So which is with the smallest power is 2. So this is the smallest power, 2 with the smallest number power. Okay, so 2, and one more number is what? 3. So into 3, so this becomes 6. So 6 is the HCF. Now we'll see the trick to calculate this within a second. I'm going to take the same number. So that is 12, 30 and 84. 84. If you see this 12, first what you have, I will take only small two numbers I will take, and I will calculate the difference between these two. How much is the difference? Difference is 30 minus 12 is how much? It is 18. Now I have to see is it multiple in 2 or not. Okay, so 18 is not divisible in 12. Okay, it is not divisible in 12, so that's what, it is not divisible in 30 also. So what will I do? I will calculate the factors of 18. So 18 factor, how can I calculate? It is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now first what will I do? I will see that it is 2 is divisible in 12, 30 and 84. Yes, it is divisible. Yes, because 2 6 are 2 15s are 2 14s are. Okay, so next what will I do? I will check 3 is divisible in 12 or not. Yes, it is divisible. 2 4s are 2 10s are 2 14s are 3, sorry, 3 14s are. Yes, it is divisible. Now next I will see is it divisible in 3 or not. Okay, if you want I can show the steps here. So 12, 13 and 84. So first one what we have to show is all three numbers is divisible by 2 or what. So 2 6 are, then how much it is? 2 15s are, 2 42s are. So 2 is divisible. Okay, so next this number only you have to see is it divisible by 3. So 3 means 3 2s are, 3 5s are, then 3 14s are. Okay, so that means this is also is there. So this number is also there, it is divisible. Next this one is divisible by 3 or not, I have to check. So 3, it is not divisible here. This is also not divisible. This is also not divisible. So this number I cannot take it. So what is the HCF here? 2 3s are 6. Now this is the trick to find out, easiest trick to find out HCF of these three numbers. Okay, so these three numbers. Okay, so next I'll go for one more problem. So problem number 4 here, 27 and 32. First only we'll try to find out the trick of this. So we will find the difference of this. So the difference of this is how much? 5. We have to check this 5 is divisible by 27. No, it is not divisible. This 5 is divisible by 32. It is not divisible. So what will you do? So how will you calculate the HCF? So I can write, how do I write this? I can write this as 1 into 5. Can I write this? Because 1 into 5 is 5 only. Okay, so as it is not divisible in 5, and as this 5 is also not divisible in 32, okay, and I cannot take the factors of this 5 also, so that I can see that is it divisible or not. So I cannot take. So what will I do? I will write here like this, 1 into 5. So what is HCF here? HCF is 1. Okay, now we will see the lengthiest other method to calculate. So 27, how do I can write? I can write 27 as 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, then how can I write? 3 1s are. Okay, so 32, how can I write? I can write it as 2 1s are, 2 6s are, then 2 8s are, then 2 4s are, then 2 2s are, 2 1s. Okay, now if I write a factor for 27, so how do I write? 3 into 3 into 3. And how do I write for 32? I will write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we have to find out which is the common. No, nothing is common in this also, nothing is common in this line also. So what I have to write? In front of this I have to write into 1, and in front of this also I will write it as 1. So which is the common number here? So 27, 27. So 1 into 1. Okay, so what is the common here now? So the common is 1. So the HCF is 1. So can you see? Here also we have got HCF as 1. Here also we have got HCF as 1. I hope you have understood what is the full form of HCF, what is the definition of HCF, and what is the method to calculate the HCF, and trick also to calculate the HCF within the second. So if you have understood my video, today's video, how to calculate the HCF, so then please subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Take care.